Today, we'll show you how to gain access to diagnostic mode on this LG electric dryer. Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of repair videos on the latest technology. And for a limited time, you can save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all of our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time. Diagnostic mode on this unit can be rather easy to enter. First, we'll press power. As soon as it powers up, we'll hold more time and less time together for half a second to 3 seconds in order to enter diagnostic. So let's press power. Bam. Now we are in diagnostics. You have to do it as soon as it is powering up or it will not work. Now this is just going to show a couple of different control things. It's going to show software versions, etc. To enter diagnostics, we'll go ahead and press start. This portion of diagnostics is the motor controller function. What it's going to do is this is going to test out your moisture sensor. You'll see the time on the side here. If it shows 30, this indicates high moisture. This is showing 232 to 239. This is showing that we have low moisture. If I had wet clothes in here, it would show different. Let's go ahead and press start again. Now this is going to be your electric heat portion. The last cycle did not have heat going through. This is going to have heat running through it consistently for 24, 25 minutes. This is a good opportunity to test out any sensors, your heater, etc. If you want to test for power, this is the time to do it. Now this portion right here, this is going to also run your heater on a higher wattage. So you're going to notice the increase on the screen here. This is increasing your temperatures. So again, you can do some testing at the components if you need to. You can watch to ensure that your temperature is going to increase on the screen. If you would like to exit this, press start again. This is going to shut the entire unit down. If you press it a couple more times, you will exit, and this will finish up diagnostics. Thank you for watching another quality video from ApplianceVideo.com. If you found this video helpful, make sure you click the like and subscribe to our channel.